In this video, let's talk about Messenger video call settings. If you're having any issues with your Messenger video call, whether you're not being able to see other person or your own video call is not being displayed to the other person, I'm going to show you a couple of ways that you can fix this issue. But however, there is no option to manually change the settings on your video call, such as the quality or the resolution. It is default given to you by Messenger and you will need to work with it. But however, if you're having issues with it, like I said earlier, let me show you a couple of ways. Firstly, update your app of Messenger. So head over to the Play Store and search for Messenger. Search for Messenger and tap on update. Updating apps helps to fix any kinds of bugs or glitches that may be causing the issue. Now the second thing that you can do is tap and hold the app of Messenger and tap on app info or this eye icon. Through this setting, you can just tap on clear data and tap on clear all data. Clearing data will log you out of your Messenger account, so you'll again need to log into your account to use Messenger again. Clearing the data is a good way of clearing out glitches which may be causing the issue. Once you do these couple of steps, any issues that you're facing with your Messenger should be fixed. But if it is still not fixed, the last thing that you can do is uninstall Messenger from your phone and again reinstall it and log into your account. And once you do these steps, your Messenger video call problems should be fixed. So that was the video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos just like this. Thanks for watching.